African American studies scholarship is that African Americans have scholars, at least those who are committed to the African American project as understood in this sense. One of the things that people say is that, well, you African American scholars have another agenda that is not purely academic. To which many African American scholars answer, you're right. You're right. And the problem with you is that you deny the existence of a larger social justice and praxis or practical aspect of knowledge. To African American scholars, it is, something difficult to understand. Why do you not want to have a larger agenda than mere academic credentialing and professionalism? Why do you not want to connect what you do in the classroom and in the academy to the suffering and immiseration of people so close to you? Why are you in your scholarship and academic practice so amoral? And why are you silent about the great crisis of race and class and gender and human sexuality in our society? That is what African American studies scholars and graduate students and undergraduate students are always asking, to which the answer comes. But to be objective scholars, you must cut yourself off from the world. To which we answer, but Du Bois instructed us that we are bone of the bone and flesh of the flesh of those within the veil. That we in African American studies, by our moral imperative, are called upon to study African Americans, as subject to subject. We do not attempt to deracialize research in a racist society. We seek to look at the situation eye to eye and not blink. To us, that is courage. The opposite is cowardice. Now, but then we are confronted with this argument. And you've probably heard this. But the university cannot be equated with society in general. The Tea Party is the Tea Party. The Republican Party is the Republican Party. The racists are the racists. But here we exist in a non-racist and now post-racial environment. And therefore, when black scholars criticize existing white supremacy and its history in the white academy, we are told, you are playing the race card. You are victimizing us. Let me say that again. The notion of the white victim of black nationalism. And I'm not